3 lip mistakes that are making you look older, and what to do instead. These are inexpensive tips and fixes, and it's what I see with my patients every day in my clinic. So I want to share exactly what I do for them with you. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do my lips look different? Less volume, more lines, and lipstick bleeding into places it shouldn't. That's one of the most common presentations I get, like this here. Or this one. And what about simple lip balance? Check out this before and after of simply balancing the lips and what it does. It increases a youthful look as long as it doesn't look ducky or unnatural. Lips should not be the factor giving away your age, especially since the fixes, well, they're simple and quick and inexpensive. I'm Dr. Rajani, and after 25 years of analyzing facial aging, one thing is clear to me. The lips tell the truth about age, lifestyle, and skincare habits, and it's not just women. Look around. Even men start to lose lip volume from the age of 22 or 23. And I'll tell you today how to fix each one so you can have plumper, smoother, more youthful lips without injections. Mistake number 1, ignoring lip hydration. You see, a dry lip equals old lips. You wouldn't skip moisturizer on your face. So why are your lips an afterthought? Lips have no oil glands. That means they dry out fast, lose collagen quicker, and show vertical lines early, especially with movement. You see, they sneak up on you. No one's going to tell you while you're eating your food, you end up pursing your lips. Hey, you have vertical lip lines. You see it when the line gets etched into the skin, and that's a late sign, especially with UV exposure. What happens here? Well, lines become more visible, and lipstick feathers into those lines, and lips look smaller and less defined. The fix? Use a hydrating balm, one with humectants. Think hyaluronic acid or glycerin, not waxy chapsticks that just sit on top. And many of my patients add a night lip mask. Bonus points here if it has peptides or squalane. Not squalene that comes from sharks, squalane. That's vegan. Think of your lips like a sponge. If it's dry, it shrinks and cracks. If it's hydrated, it looks plump and smooth. And in fact, that helps build collagen right there because the lip is a hyperdynamic area. And if you move it when it's dry, it causes inflammation. Inflammation kills collagen, and that makes your lip look old. Mistake number 2, overusing retinoids, yes, like retinols, around the lips. Not all skin can handle a retinol, especially a mucous membrane like the lip. You might be applying retinol to your lower face and not realizing it's creeping onto your lips at the vermilion border, because it's that border that looks youthful when it's flipped up properly, and you don't want to lose that kind of ski slope or ski jump look at that vermilion border. Here you can see what I'm talking about here. This is the border. Here's a flattened border, but look here when the border is crisp. It's why we often add fillers at that border, and then people love it, and then they say, I want more, and that becomes a duck. Retinols can thin the skin if they're overused. Lips become more sensitive, they flake and they peel, and collagen breaks down, and that speeds up the chronic inflammation, and you get that cycle. It's like watering your flower garden with bleach. Meant well, done wrong. Now the solution here, you can still use your retinol and keep it simple, keep it inexpensive because you have that on your shelf, but buffer your retinol with a barrier balm before bed, or swap to gentler options like peptides or low-dose bakuchiol. I have a complete video on bakuchiol, or instead of retinol, choose retinaldehyde. That's what I use in my product. It's more gentle and more potent, so it's a double hit for the positive. Better yet, you can use one of the new lip plumpers because they have timed release retinol. Use it a couple times a day. And I put this one here on sale today. I'll link it in the description of the video and pin it to the top of the comment section so you can access it easily. Why? Because it actually has immediate plumping effects, but it has a timed release retinol like I talked about. And here it is, peptides. It has lip-specific peptides, so when you stop using it, if you stop using it for a week, 2 or 3, even up to a month, you still have plumper, firmer lips because there's long-lasting effects. It's not just an immediate plumper. So you can now get medical-grade products that have long-lasting effects for the lip. Mistake number 3. Lipstick and liner choices. This is an easy one to fix. Think the wrong color, the wrong texture, the wrong outline, the wrong decade, because we used to do it in the 80s. Here's what makes lips look older in seconds. Overlining with dry pencils, matte lipsticks that settle into the lines. Cool or deep shades, well, they're going to flatten the features. That looks older. What's the fix? Choose creamy, slightly glossy formulas that reflect light back. It's all about light reflection. That's what the iPhone does well. It reflects light perfectly for their camera. That's why you look better in the iPhone than some other cameras, even though the other cameras might be more high def. You want to stick to warm rose or peach tones that bring life back to your face. Use a clear wax liner or even a silicone primer around the lips to prevent that feathering. It's like wearing shoulder pads from the 80s. Yes, they made a statement, but it's not this decade's look. Get up to speed with this. Let's recap this so you understand. Number 1, hydrate those lips like your life depends on it. Number 2, keep harsh actives away unless they're made for lips. And number 3, modernize your makeup to flatter, not fight your features. Because when your lips look fresh, your whole face looks younger. Now, if you want to step up your lip game and be a little more aggressive, but all natural, watch this video on Plasma Lip, the all natural way to get youthful lips, and the one I made down here on the ways you can tell your lips are already botched and what to do. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.